Today we've got a neat Power Query challenge. We want to replace text values with numbers, quickly and cleanly. The mapping list is included. Select the table, go to Data from Table Range. Now the first thing that might come to your mind is this. Let's create a conditional column and check each value with an if-else statement. And sure, that works, but it's manual and gets messy fast. Let's do it smarter. So let's create a new step. Here is the line you want. We are telling Power Query, go through the importance column and replace each value with its position in the list. The list is following: blank, very low, low, moderate, high, very high. The empty string at the beginning, that's not a mistake, it's intentional. Here's why. Power Query indexes lists starting from 0. So now very low is 1, low is 2, and so on. Perfect, right? But wait, you might see some values turn into -1. This means Power Query didn't find them in the list. Why not? The most common reason: extra spaces. If your data isn't clean enough, the matching will be problematic, even though it looks the same. To fix this issue, let's wrap your value in text.trim to remove the extra spaces. Now everything works as expected, so don't waste your time with unneeded nested if statements. Try to make your solutions clean and scalable. Thanks for watching, see ya!